This video gives an overview of the Ranch Road Extension, Project U6223, from the North Carolina Department of Transportation. You will find additional information posted to the project website, where you also can submit questions and comments. The NCDOT Division 4 project manager for this project is Rachel Evans. Simpson Engineers and Associates is the project consultant, providing preliminary engineering. Project team contact information can be found at the end of this presentation, as well as on the project website. Project U6223 is located in southeast Clayton in Johnston County. The project proposes to extend Ranch Road on new location between Little Creek Church Road and US 70 Business, and to realign the intersection of Ranch Road and Little Creek Church Road. This project addresses the need to improve transportation mobility in the Clayton area. The lack of a direct connection between NC 42 and the US 70 bypass, along with steady growth in population and development, has contributed to increasing traffic congestion. The proposed extension and new location would eliminate the need for some travelers to use US 70 Business and NC 42 if they are headed towards the bypass or Interstate 40. The users would include commercial truck traffic and residents. In addition, the project would reduce response times by Clayton Fire Station No. 2 to property owners and residents on the south side of US 70 Business. The extended Ranch Road also could serve as a detour when NC 42 is widened between US 70 Business and NC 50. Preliminary roadway designs are shown on this map. You can see that work is concentrated in two areas: the extension of Ranch Road on new location to the north, on the right side of the map, and the intersection of Ranch Road and Little Creek Church Road to the south, on the left side of the map. As we progress through the maps, there are several colors to be aware of. Yellow is the new proposed roadway. Bright green is new right-of-way that NCDOT will need to acquire in order to construct this project. Orange shows where existing roadway will be resurfaced. The north end of the project is where Ranch Road will be extended on new location to connect to the US 70 Business and NC 42 intersection. The Ranch Road extension will form a T intersection with what is currently part of Little Creek Church Road. Once the project is completed, it is anticipated that this former piece of Little Creek Church Road will be signed as Bowling Street. A stop sign is proposed to be used at this intersection for traffic turning onto Ranch Road when the project opens. From Ranch Road, dedicated turn lanes onto Bowling Street will be provided in both directions. For turns from Bowling Street onto Ranch Road, a dedicated right turn lane will be provided. Approaching the intersection with US 70 Business, Ranch Road extension widens to 4 lanes, 2 in each direction, with a raised grassy median. Part of this roadway is a widening of existing Rose Street adjacent to the Sheetz gas station. At the intersection of US 70 Business, dedicated right and left turn lanes are added to 2 through lanes that connect to NC 42 East. At the south end of the project, the proposal is to realign the intersection between Ranch Road and Little Creek Church Road. This new configuration would make Ranch Road the through movement, while those on Little Creek Church Road would have to stop. This project is part of the locally administered projects program under the Town of Clayton and is included in NCDOT's 2020-2029 State Transportation Improvement Program. The project has received federal funding through a Federal Surface Transportation Block Grant Program, which requires a 20% local contribution. Of the $8.4 million estimated project cost, $6.7 million is from federal funding, and $1.7 million is from state legislature funds. Because the project will be constructed with federal transportation funds, project planning must follow a process outlined by the National Environmental Policy Act. The Act requires federal agencies to investigate and consider the environmental effects of their proposals, document the analysis of these effects, and make this information available to the public. An environmental document known as a categorical exclusion, or CE, is being prepared for this project. This type of document is prepared for projects that typically do not have significant environmental impacts. The CE looks at potential impacts of the project to water resources, the local community, wildlife, and any historic and archaeological sites. The CE for this project is nearing completion. This chart shows the anticipated project schedule. The CE will be completed in early 2021. The project's right-of-way design will be finalized in the winter of 2021, and the right-of-way acquisition process will begin in spring 2021. NCDOT expects construction to begin by summer 2022, with an anticipated completion by January 2024. The dates currently presented in the STIP are being amended, and the revision reflecting these dates is anticipated to be completed by January 2021. NCDOT encourages you to view all project materials and submit questions and comments to the project team. If you have questions or comments, visit the project website or send us an email. You may also call the project number to leave a message, and someone from the project team will be happy to assist you. Comments on the proposed designs should be provided to NCDOT by December 11th. And don't forget to sign up on the website for project updates.